Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Danielle Collins and today I'm going to show you a super quick routine you can do with your rose quartz roller. So the rose quartz roller is great if you have sensitive skin, if you get puffiness in your skin. It's very good if you want your skin to look a little bit more glowing, and it's very good if you're prone to lines and wrinkles as well. And you can get this beautiful quality crystal one from faceyogaexpert.com/shop. So have a nice clean face, apply a little bit of your Fusion by Danielle Collins serum, taking your rose quartz roller. This is not a full face routine. I have got a YouTube video on the full face routine, but I just want to show you super quick way you can work around the forehead area. So we're taking this big end and we're just working all the way up the middle. So working up that procerus muscle, that muscle between the eyebrows that can tend to hold a lot of tension, particularly when we're stressed or anxious. We tend to hold all our stress in this area and we tend to do that repetitive expression where we pull the area in and create those number 11 lines. So the crystal healing benefits helps to soothe any tension. The coolness helps the skin to look glowing, and the massage helps to relax tension and therefore prevent and reduce lines and wrinkles in this area. So just moving out to one side. So just sort of flaring out, the muscle flares out here. So that's exactly what we're doing with our roller. Now, if you've got a jade roller, you can do this exact same routine with the jade roller. Jade rollers are also beautiful. Jade rollers are particularly good to use at any point in the day. They're very, very nice ones if you're concerned about anti-aging, you really want to reduce lots of lines and wrinkles. Let's go to the other side, just flaring out. So that's why I'd say to use a jade roller. Rose quartz roller also has all those benefits, particularly nice one in the mornings. Very good if you've got sensitive skin or you're feeling particularly sensitive in your mind. So I use both rollers, both have great benefits. We're then just going to come across here, gently working, sort of imagine the forehead's in half there and just working across. And then we're going to do the other side there. So coming gently across. You can see a little bit of pinkness and redness coming up there as well. And then you're just going to finish just by doing a little bit on your temples there, just helping to stimulate that acupressure point. And the other side, gently working there. And then come back to center. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like more information about face yoga, just go to faceyogaexpert.com. Have a great day. Bye-bye.